Hello my friends and welcome to calendar time. If you are learning at home today, please make sure you're sitting in a safe and comfortable spot. If you are in the classroom, please make sure you're sitting crisscross in your own space, mask on your face. All right my friends, let's all take a deep breath together. Now our brains and our hearts are ready to learn. Let's use our eyes to look and our ears to listen. Hello everybody, our greeting today is a peace sign. Hello everybody, I'm so glad to see you. Friends, we are still in the season of spring. And it is our 120th day of school. Wow! We have 100, there's the 1 for the 100. And this is a 2 because we have 2 tens. And 2 tens is 20. And then do we have any ones? No ones today, so that is a 0. And look at our 10 frame right here. No ones in the 10 frame. We have 12 full 10 frames. Let's count by tens. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 110, 120. All right, my friends, 120 days of school. All right, my friends, here is our April calendar. Now, let's count to today. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And yesterday was Malachi's birthday, and it was Easter. But we weren't at school yesterday because yesterday was Sunday, right? Yeah, yesterday was Sunday. So, let's sing happy birthday to Malachi. Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Malachi. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Happy birthday, Malachi. Malachi is 5 years old. All right, let's count to today. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's take a look at our pictures and see if we have a pattern yet. We have a sprout, a flower, a butterfly, and a ladybug. Is that a pattern? No, it doesn't repeat. Those are just a bunch of random pictures. We'll have to see what we have for today. Let's see. It's a sprout again. I wonder what kind of pattern we're going to have. We'll have to wait and see. All right, friends, yesterday was Sunday. Today is Monday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Let's read our sentence. Today is Monday, April 5th, 2021. Let's sing our Days of the Week song. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. All right, friends, and here we are in April. It's the 4th month of the year. January is the 1st month, February is the 2nd month, March is the 3rd month, and now we're in April. Let's sit up straight and tall and sing our song. January, February, March, and April, May, and June, and July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Oh, these are the months of the year. Sing it with joy and with cheer, the months of the year. Friends, today we are going to be learning about the letter R. Here's the letter R. Here's the capital R, and there's the lowercase r. Can you think of a friend whose name starts with the letter R? Rosalinda. Rosalinda's name starts with letter R. R always makes the sound R. Can you make the R sound? R. All right, let's say Rosalinda's name. Rosalinda. Did you hear the R sound? Oh, let's see. What else has a R sound, has the letter R? How about a robot? Robot starts with R. Ooh, look, here's a rainbow. Rainbow starts with the letter R. Here's a little animal. Squeak, squeak. Is it a mouse? It can't be a mouse because it needs to start with a R sound. So it's a rat. It's a rat. Ooh, look at this. What is that, do you think? It's a rose. Rose starts with letter R. I wonder if you know what this is. It's a radio. A radio. This is how people used to listen to music before they had their phones or MP3 players. They used to listen to the radio. Maybe you can listen to the radio in your car sometimes. And let's see. I have something very fancy to show you. Are you ready? It's so fancy. Would you like to see my ring? Ooh, my ring is so fancy. The word ring starts with the letter R. All right, let's remember our words. Ready? Ring, rainbow, rat, rose, radio, and robot. All right, my friends. Today we are going to sequence some pictures. That means put them in order. Let's see. Let's say the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we want to know what happens first, what happens second, what happens third, and what happens fourth. And today we're talking about growing a plant. How does the growing plant start? Do you remember? What's the first thing? The seed, that's right. The seed is the first thing. All right, after you plant the seed, what comes next? Do you remember? It's hard to tell which one of these it is, but it's the sprout. The sprout is the first part of the plant to come up out of the soil. And then the plant grows. Let's see, is it a seedling next or a plant? A seedling. And then what's the last thing? Then it becomes a plant. All right, my friends. Happy Monday, everybody. And today we learned about the letter R, like Rosalinda, and R always makes the sound R. And then we sequence some pictures. We put them in order so we know how a plant grows. All right, my friends. Have a marvelous Monday. I wish you well.